Chippers, welcome to episode 2 on making a checker chessboard. This lesson we're going to need our 4 sheets of paper from our list, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay these out and tape them together. And what I'm going to use is blue painter's tape to tape them. Tape them all down. I use little pieces at first. And I'm going to take a strip to cover the whole thing. And then we're going to do the same thing with our other sheet. Tape those all down. And these are going to be our 2 sheets that we've got to cut our strips out of. I'll see you in a minute in the shop. Hang on.
Yep.
Okay, and for those of you that have a tape measure, we're going to be measuring 2 inches. That's how big the squares are going to be that we're going to do. If you don't have a tape measure, an empty roll of rolled gold will do. We're going to take that, and that's going to be 4 inches long. So what you're going to do to make your measuring, you're going to take your extra piece of paper, you're going to line it up on the edges, and you're going to mark it, and mark it, and mark it, and mark it, and keep going all the way down. Alright, now that we have that, you see our dotted line? We're going to take this paper and we're going to fold it in half. We want to get it as straight as we possibly can on that 4-inch mark. And we're going to crease the paper. Take our scissors, which is actually going to take the place of our miter saw and our table saw, and we're going to cut this piece out. To make sure you got the right piece, put that back on there, and you can see that that's the piece that we want. The other piece is going to be a little bit bigger. So now to get our correct measurement, you're going to fold this in half. Get it on the lines. And you're going to use this as your template, and you're going to measure the first piece out on your piece of paper, the 2 sheets of paper that we taped together. Remember, the tape side is going to be your back, so that's going to be the back side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this, we're going to put it on our edge, draw a line, and draw a line, and we're going to fold this in half to our line. And now we're going to cut this piece out. And there's your strip. It's our first one. You're going to do this, and you're going to use this piece for each time as your template to make sure that all your pieces come out the same. You're going to do 2, 3, 4 and cut them out. And then you're going to take your other sheet and using the same template, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to end up with a total of 8 strips that you've cut. Thank you and stay tuned for the next lesson.